Rasam, great for digestion, comforting on a cold rainy night, and absolutely reminds you of home sweet home. Here is my version of how this miracle soup is done. In a mortar and pestle, pound 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Add a little bit of water to this so pounding is easier. To this, add 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns and pound them together. To this, add 7 to 8 pips of garlic with skin. Just a few knocks to mash the garlic up. Set this aside. Now take a ping pong sized tamarind pulp. A good tamarind pulp is more often sweet than sour. Mix it with a cup of warm water and dilute it. Now add 1 chopped big ripe tomato to the tamarind water. To this, add the pounded cumin, black peppercorn and garlic with a teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder here. In a vessel, heat up 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm using gingerly oil. Once hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and let it sputter. Then add a little bit of fenugreek along with some cumin seed. Take care not to let them burn. To this, add 1 large chopped red onion. Keep stirring till the onions wilt. I'll add a pinch of salt to help the onions wilt faster. Now add 1 chopped dried chili and a sprig of curry leaves. Mix them and stir well until a beautiful aroma starts emerging. After 2 minutes of stirring, you can now add your tamarind water mixed with tomato and the pounded spices. Pour it in gently and slowly. Now here's the crucial part. Keep a close eye on your rasam. On a medium heat, watch it simmer and come up to boil. Once it starts to boil, turn the stove off immediately. Once the stove is off, add chopped coriander and mix it in well. Your rasam is now ready. Have it hot with rice or just as a drink. It's very good for digestion and keeps you warm and healthy. Thank you for watching. This recipe is brought to you by
Hearty Meals Home Cooked.
VJmade.